Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to create avatars using Blue Willow AI. First, let me introduce Blue Willow AI. What is Blue Willow AI? Blue Willow AI is a simplified version of Midjourney that you are free to use. Recently, Midjourney has become a paid AI tool, and Blue Willow AI provides a great alternative to Midjourney. In this video, let's see what Blue Willow AI can actually accomplish. Let's view some examples of the output that Blue Willow can generate. Using these tools and a single instruction, you can generate these kinds of amazing AI images. Also, this becomes considerably simpler and more interactive. You can use these images on your social media platforms, websites, or anywhere else where your imagination takes you. You should use it wherever possible. Essentially, these are extremely unique images. If you attempt to create these images on your own, it becomes very difficult. However, using Blue Willow, you will only need to write a single prompt, and these types of images will be generated in seconds. So what are the actual requirements for using this tool? A Discord account is essentially the only requirement, and if you do not have a password, simply visit this website. I will provide the link in the description below. All you need to do is create an account on this page. This is entirely free, and you do not need to pay anything for it. Then you must navigate to this website, bluewillow.ai. Simply select the link to join the free beta version once you are in the website. You will then be prompted to join their team through a Discord server. Here, the option to approve an invitation is available. Once you select the Accept Invite button, you will be taken to the Discord channel. This will now be the homepage when you visit this Discord channel. Now you want to generate your own images, you must now navigate to this section under Rookies, where you can select any one of the available rookies. If you choose the Rookie 5, then you can see that many people have created their images based on the provided prompts. You can use these prompts as examples, and if you want to generate your own prompts and images using your prompts, you can simply select here and start typing. There's a message box over here. You only need to write /imagine and click on space before writing your prompt. Whatever the prompt, you compose it. The model will automatically generate an image in response to the given prompt. Now this is a very straightforward prompt, but you will get the notion of what it actually does. Generating your images will take 1 minute, but they will be exact. You are also able to check the work of others on the Discord server, the same as Midjourney, to get ideas. These examples are some images that other creators have created. Let's check if our image has been generated. Observe that our image has already been created. Now if you click on this image, you will have the option to access and use this page. If you want to download this image and you liked it, you can do so by clicking on Open in your browser. This image will now appear in this space. Right-clicking here and selecting Save Image As will now save the image. After selecting Save the image will be downloaded to your default download location. Now, if you don't like this image and want to regenerate it, you don't have to rewrite the prompt. Select this button over here, the blue button over here, and the model will regenerate the image automatically for you. The image will appear here once it has been regenerated. Likewise, the creation of your image will take no longer than 1 minute by Blue Willow. Additionally, you can download pictures from other users. If you like any of these images, you can simply click on, open and browse, and then download the images. If you believe that this server, your rookie or this particular rookie is not performing well, you may also select one of the other rookies to perform the same task. This image is created using Blue Willow AI as the finest illustration. Observe the excellence then. Furthermore, if you download this image, you can perform the same action as I just mentioned. Then a similar window will appear. Now, if you want to use a single image, you can use basic online cropping tools to crop the image. The image's quality will remain the same because the resolution is quite large and quite crisp. Therefore, there will be no drop in image quality. I hope you enjoy this video, which describes Blue Willow AI. You can use this Blue Willow AI to generate free images for your content creation, for YouTube, Instagram profile, or a variety of tasks. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.